Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami cat. This is a model I found on the internet. The steps are not too hard, and the only material you'll need is a square piece of paper. To make it easier to see, in this video I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters, but you can use any size you want. Our first step is to fold it in half diagonally. To do this, we bring one corner to the other, crease it well, and then unfold it. With this crease made, we'll rotate the paper in this position and fold two diagonals here. Starting with the right side, we'll bring the bottom side to the middle, repeat with the other side, let's turn the paper over and fold the remaining corner. Unfold it, and go back to the other side. Now we'll fold it in half. To do this, we bring the bottom corner to the top, reinforce, and keeping this folded, we'll fold the two side corners. Let's start with the right side, reinforce, and then repeat on the other side. With this done, we'll unfold the middle part. Now we need to fold the right side to the middle mark, creating a new diagonal crease. Unfold it, and do the same on the other side. Now fold the top corner and then fold again, connecting these corners. Unfold only the last step and now pay close attention. We are going to close the right side and also the left side. bringing both to the middle and closing the paper. Now, using the existing line, we'll bring the first layer up and using the other existing line here on the right, we are going to close the bottom part. With these two parts folded, we will flatten the remaining paper do the same thing on the left side. Up here we have a small corner left in the back layer. We'll fold it back to create a reference and unfold it. For the next step, first we need to close this middle part to the left. Then bring this horizontal edge to the diagonal up here, creating a new diagonal mark in the middle. Undo this step, and now create a new crease by closing this corner here. Then fold again the previous step and flatten the remaining paper, closing this part like this. This is the only step that is a bit more complicated. Everything else is easier. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Let's bring the middle part to the right, fold the diagonal, then close the corner, and flatten the paper. Finishing the left side, we just need to unfold the middle layer. We already have the cat's head. For the next step, rotate the paper and fold it in half. Now fold the bigger side, creating this diagonal. Unfold it. Open the paper. Reinforce these lines a bit. And fold this part up. Close the paper as before, and pay close attention again. We are going to fold the front layers, bringing half of the paper to each side. To do this, first we can open the paper a bit, then push each side over the middle part, and close the head part over it. As the final step, just fold the remaining corner here using the mark we made before. In the end, you can adjust the details a little, reinforcing and fixing whatever is needed. And here's the result. Our origami cat is done. You can still add some details, drawing a face or shaping the tail, but that's the idea. I hope you like it, I hope you're able to make it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.